Did you measure it yet? Holy shit. Let's go. Bounced my ass off the armrest. That kind of hurt. There we go. That's the kind of fish we're looking for today. Smoked it. That's a much better fish. All right, let's get this thing measured and back in the water. Come here, dude. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, no you don't. No you don't. Wanna play hardball? We'll do it down here, I don't care. You ain't going anywhere. Damn it, stop. God damn. Close your mouth. $16 and a half, guys. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. All right, we're not going to upload that right this second because I want to stay on these bait balls. So right in this section, I got these giant bait balls swimming around, and I'm just running the swim bait through them. Oh. All right, guys, the bait slowed down for a second, or the bite slowed down for a second rather, so I'm gonna sit here and tell you what kind of we were doing. So you can see another bait ball down there possibly. I don't think you can see it actually as I say it. This is like a 3 to 4 foot depth, and there's these giant bait balls of shad running through here, and the bass are chasing them like crazy. So that second one I caught was a small one, but that first one was over 16. And what I'm doing is I'm watching the bait balls go, and as they kind of change direction when the bass are charging them, I'm throwing past where they're going and pulling my spinnerbait back through them, trying to make my spinnerbait the slowest and easiest meal in the bait ball. So kind of letting it settle real quick, upload that photo, see what time it is because we're waiting on Christian, see what else we can get into. Coyote's finally, oh, nope, not quite leaving, but at least he's not up on top of me anymore. I was back here fishing those bait balls, and this dude comes back on top of me and just starts throwing a cast net on him. Completely killed the bite. I'm hoping it comes back. I found a level of comfort today facing every direction. I seen a dude on YouTube the other day standing on the seat. I don't think I'm that ballsy yet. What I learned the other day, you might have already known this, but I didn't. Over by the dam, you got that open finger that goes back into that huge muck area.
Yep.
Did you know it's like 15 feet deep in the middle?
Yeah, dude.
I nosed in there the other day, got down to the shallow, turned around spot lock facing the main lake, and was tossing towards the opening. Because I'm like, there's got to be something hiding in here. All I found was trash, but you know there's something in there. Guys, Christian's been on the struggle bus all day, and he thinks he might have a new PB in the boat, so we're going over here. I'm coming. I can't hear you yet. Hang on. Did you say you got a new PB?
Dude, this has got to be a PB.
What? Did you measure it yet? Holy shit.
Thick, dog. Thick. That's got to be, dude. That's massive. She's up ready to spawn.
What'd you get that on?
A white spinnerbait. Across that point.
You know, not for nothing, I'm happy you got one, but why didn't it want my white spinnerbait?
I don't know. I don't know how it happened.
I literally
I
just...
I wouldn't get shit.
I literally just changed mine off of the whitey.
Let me get my...
Yeah, this is the part where you take a deep breath.
Yeah, I know, right?
From back there, that looked like a 5.5, 6 pounder. That looks like a big ass fish.
I'm hoping. I got this scale.
I'm curious to see how long it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna get...
That look, the
I'm
2
getting all my
seconds I
stuff
saw
out
it,
first.
that looked like a 20.
I hope. That'd be the shit.
Look at that hog.
Tail's getting red. Yeah, they're getting ready to spawn, dude.
Don't drop it.
Close.
That's gotta be, holy shit, look how fat that is.
My God, that's huge.
I'm guessing 22. It's my official guess.
20 and a half.
Oh.
So fat though, dude.
Yeah, that thing is plump. That thing is like catfish fat.
Okay, so it's covering the bottom corner of my car. Do you think that's okay?
Can you see the other identifier marks?
Yes.
Then you're good. That's why you write it on there multiple times.
Yeah.
As long as you can tell that it's the camo card and it's got your identifier, you're good.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Pull it out for a photo before it escapes.
I gotta submit that picture first.
And then get back on your spot before these guys sneak in on it.
Got your photo ready?
I do.
Is that a pretty good one?
Hang on. All
I
right.
gotta weigh her. I have to.
Man, that thing's got to be 6.5.
I hope so.
As fat as she is, it might be 7.
Dude, when it hit, I thought I caught the log. When it hit. Oh wait, that's not it.
You did catch a log.
Yeah, right.
She gonna buck.
6 even.
That sounds about right. That is a tank. She's gonna take off with a vengeance. Yeah.
Nope, she gone.
I said that was anticlimactic.
Yeah.
But them 10 inchers will smack you in the head.
Right there.
Probably is. That's what I was throwing spinner baits through earlier.
Oh, man.
It was working pretty good. Not a bad day on the water.
No. Oh, no, there's still people out here kayaking.
Just paddling away.
Been there, done that, brother.
I said
Been
that
there,
must
done
suck. That must suck.
that. It does.
I remember my first year.
Right? Right? It's funny that you leave wake.
What's that?
You leave a wake behind you.
I'm not even going full speed.
I know.
Now I am.
Now I know.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. She'll be fine.
Have any luck?
Oh. All right, so I just want to pause here for a second. This might seem kind of rude that I'm flying up on the shore to get off the water right where these two were fishing, but it should be noted that this particular spot on either side of the ramp is no fishing. They're not supposed to be fishing there. People fish there. Boaters don't typically care. But on this particular day, there were two kayakers taking up the room on the left-hand side of the ramp. So I needed to come in on the right-hand side. And I went as close to the ramp as I could without being too shallow. And they just had fishing lines out all over there. I ran over like three of them. I mean, the guy didn't get into it with me. I didn't get into it with him. The girl that was with him wasn't too thrilled with me, but again, they're not even supposed to be fishing there. Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.